I tell my wife, no cooking in the month of Ramadan. Basic foods, bro, basic foods. Anything that takes more than half an hour to prepare, I'm not interested in. Today, in the month of Ramadan, our wives get together and they spend hours in the kitchen. Hours is what you have no idea, my brothers. You know, let me tell you something. You know, lately I've been saying this to the brothers. You know what's killing this ummah? It's not haram. Haram is not killing the ummah. Haram, we already know what's haram. Haram is haram, it's clean. There's always guilt when you do it. You know what's killing the ummah? Halal is killing this ummah. It's halal things that are wasting our time, wasting our efforts. Yeah, it's halal. No shaykh can tell you it's haram. But it's lahu, it's wasting your time. Foods that take hours to prepare. It's halal. Halal. Of course you can eat it. Nothing wrong with it. But the idea, my wife wasted hours in the kitchen cooking me food. Hours. We have a particular dish back home in Sydney. It takes 6 women. They sit down and they prepare this, it's like vine leaves, and they put this hours preparing it and rolling it, and 6 women sit down and they backbite and they gossip and they mock and they laugh and they joke. It takes 6 hours to prepare, then it takes 48 hours to cook. 48 hours to cook. It takes you 5 minutes to eat it.